Now, in this part, I will show you how to add a virtual product and a downloadable product on your store. So the difference between virtual product and normal product, I would say, is that on the checkout page, for a virtual product, we are not going to ask for the shipping details to our buyer. So they are just going to enter their information, name, their email address, and the payment details, but we won't ask for a shipping address because we are not going to ship these products. And for the downloadable product, they are going to get a link just after the purchase to be able to download this product on their computer. And also they will get an account on your store where they will be able to access the downloadable products that they purchased. So they will be able to download them again in the future if they want, but you can also disable this option if you want, and I will show you how to do that. The first thing, go to your dashboard, then product, all product, and click on add new. So for us, as a virtual product, we are going to sell the ebook of our book, Timeless Elegance. So in the product name, I put Timeless Elegance ebook. Okay. Then into the product description, I enter the product description. It's the same one as with the normal book. And then I will enter the short description, and I will just add that it's the virtual version of the real book. Okay, great. Then into the product data, we can choose virtual. So as you see now, the difference is that the shipping tab just disappeared because we are not going to ship this product. Then if you just have a virtual product like a membership or something like that, then you can just enter the price and then you're done. Or if, like me, you have a virtual product that is also a downloadable product, just tick the downloadable box, and then you have the options here to enable to add the files that are included into this downloadable product. So first, we are going to put the price. So let's say we sell this ebook 14 euros, slightly less than the real book at 19. And then we add the file, choose file. I will upload my ebook, and here we go. Then we can enter the name. Okay, then this is here that you can set up the download limits and the download expiry if you want. So for example, if you want to let your customer, if you want to allow your customer to get unlimited re-downloads, you can just leave it blank. Or if you want to allow them to just download one time, just put 1, 10 times, 5 times, it's really up to you and what you want to do. So best practice here is just to leave it unlimited. This is what happened on most websites where you buy a downloadable product. And here you can also grant access to this download link for a certain period of time. So again, if you leave blank, your customer will be able to download the product for an unlimited amount of time, forever basically. But if you just want to let them access the product for a certain period, like for example 30 days or 180 days, 6 months, then you can just set up here the number of days that you want to allow them to access these products. Then everything else is pretty much the same. Link product, attribute, advanced as the simple product. And also this is working virtual and downloadable for the variable product and for subscription as well. So you can just follow the exact same step and create variable products that are virtual and downloadable, and the same for subscription. Okay. Then don't forget to add the category, the image. We will just put the same image. And then once you are ready, you can just publish. Let's see our product. And here we go. Now we have our product that is an ebook. So when people will buy this product, they will be able to access this virtual product and download it as well.